women met in heaven. First lady said, "How you died?" Second one said, "Because of cold, I died." First one died because of high blood pressure. A little bit of matter, I have a doubt on my husband. One day I came to know that my husband was with other lady at home. I reached home immediately. Then I saw my husband watching TV alone. Second one asked later what happened. News was true. That's why I can't believe him. I started searching for that lady every corner of my house, in garden, behind tree, behind curtain, in cupboard, even in treasure, but I could not find her due to tension. Then high blood pressure increased and I died. If you had opened the fridge and seen, both of them would have been alive today.